For odd and even function, uh, what we have to do for to check that the function is odd or even, I will just by graphically. For even, this is the simplest one. Just check that the graph is symmetric about y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So just check that let's suppose this is a mirror, and if the graph of the function like this, then this part is just, if you place a mirror here, then you will just get the reflection of this one. This means this is symmetric about y-axis. So simply, if you draw a graph of the function and it just mirror image about y-axis, then the function is even function. Or we can also say that if you draw the function, then by definition, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, that is even function. Algebraic definition of that even function. So if you take like let's suppose fx is equal to x square, this is the graph of fx is equal to x square, then taking f of, let's suppose take minus 1, then it will give 1, then it's also give 1. That means let's say this is the 1 and this is the minus 1. Okay, then the value, the fx, that is the y value, because fx is equal to y, we know that this is the domain, x is domain, and this is the range of the function. So if we see that, then for 1 in a domain we get 1, for minus 1 we again get 1. That means we get symmetric value for, let's say, minus 1 by 2, and for 1 by 2 we also get the same value. We will draw the line parallel to x-axis, then it will give the same value. For minus 2, like it gives 4, and for 2 it's also give 4. So by graph we also understand that this is the mirror image, and for by algebraic definition, that is f of minus x, that is if we take f of 1 gives 1, f of 1 x is equal to 1, if we put minus x, that is minus 1, if we put, then we will get the same value, that is 1. Okay, 1 and 1. So this is the even function. For odd, this is a tricky one. What we have to do, just make the graph of the function. How we draw the graph? You can draw the graph by just putting the value, or just by drawing the freehand method, or just by knowing that where it is, its slope is 0, like that. This is a large process to make the graph of a function. But similarly, if you know the normal graph like x cube, it will go like this one. How we will draw this one? Because for x equal to 0, y equal to 0, if you put y equal to x cube, this is the function y equal to x cube. If you put y equal x equal to 0, then it will give y, that is this one point. And now for let's say if you take x equal to infinity, then what you will get? Y equal to infinity cube, that is also infinity, so it will go at infinity. If we put x equal to minus infinity, then you will get minus infinity cube, that is also minus infinity, similar to minus infinity, equivalent to minus infinity. So it will go like this up to minus infinity and plus infinity. So you can just draw the graph like this only. If you just want to know the how we draw the graph of a function, then I will teach you that also. Now for checking that function is odd or even, sorry, only odd, we have talked about the even function. So for odd, this is like y equal to x cube function. If you draw the line y equal to x, okay, y equal to x line will be like this only. Then what you will see, if you take any point on the y equal to x line, okay, if you take any point on y equal to x line, just take this one, then y equal to x, if you take y x equal to 1, then it gives you y equal to 1, okay, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So after taking if you measure the distance, okay, this, let's say I've changed the color, okay. So let's draw the graph. I'm just drawing it by freehand. This is y equal to x line and this is y equal to x cube curve. So by measuring the distance, if you take y equal to 1, this distance will be equal, okay, and this distance after, let's say here -1, then this distance will be equal this one and this one. If it replace x to minus x, then this distance, the distance between the curve and the y equal to x line will be equal. That's the odd function. Or we can say about the algebraic definition, that f of minus x equal to minus of fx. You can see it by this, f of minus x equal to minus of fx. Yes. Or we can also see that the, if you take the reflection in the line y equal to x, okay, this for upper side, if you take the reflection on the line y equal to x, just like in even function we take reflection about y axis only, here we take reflection of y equal to x for the upper part, then it will be symmetric about y equal to minus x line. This is also the way to check that the function is odd or even. Okay, I think the concept is clear. Let's draw in a clear way. This is y equal to x cube function, okay, y equal to x line. If you take reflection of the upper part in the first quadrant part of y equal to x function, then it will be, reflection will be like this only. And after taking reflection in y equal to minus x, just like even, we take reflection about y axis. Here we just first step, if you know the step, then first step is just the take reflection on y equal to x for only upper part, that is first quadrant upper part. And if you take the after taking the reflection, if you take the reflection of the whole function about y equal to minus x line, then it will be symmetric about y equal to minus x. So that's the definition of odd function.